Bullish Chiliz cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 82 cents and $1.80 by 2030. Market experts accept CHZ could reach 82 cents by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2022 is 14 cents. Chiliz presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and chief of Chiliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Preceding sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intelligent travel guide, and Winamax and Chillapoker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to disturb the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage controlled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices by means of a portable application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy restrictive product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's internet business store. What is Chiliz? The Chiliz stage was made determined to furnish fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers compensations for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is presently utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It likewise offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz central examination. Chiliz is a cryptographic money zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiliz is socios.com. A stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin to make secure, straightforward, and unchanging exchanges. The utilization of blockchain additionally takes into consideration quick and effective installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are fueled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin is gotten from its utility for the purpose of the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Furthermore, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Organizations. The Chiliz Group has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atlético de Madrid, Paris Saint-Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, Sports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chiliz current cost. Chiliz is presently worth 18 cents USD. CHZ has moved 1.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $141,011,009. Chiliz is presently positioned 44 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,093,770,887 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Chiliz value expectation 2022. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The CHZ cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 27 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 25 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and headway. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of 22 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2023. In 2023, Chiliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform 45 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the CHZ's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 36 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 40 cents. Chiliz Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 64 cents and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 58 cents and a low of 55 cents in 2024. Chiliz Value Expectation 2025. In the event that Chiliz effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2025. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 82 cents, with a base cost of 73 cents and a typical cost of 77 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 95 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 91 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a greatest value worth of $1.01. Chiliz Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.14. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.19. Neglecting to assemble the help CHZ needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.10. Chiliz Value Forecast 2028. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.29 and a yearly cost close above $1.38 in 2028. Chiliz Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Chiliz will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.47 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.56, averaging out at $1.51. Chiliz Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest CHZ cost in 2030 is projected to be $1.80 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.73. And, by and large, we think Chiliz is an exceptionally encouraging task with a ton of possibilities. The group has proactively gained huge headway in developing its organizations, and presently they simply have to keep chipping away at working